Hey everyone, Dom here from the Panasonic kitchen. In this quick video I'm going to talk you through how you can use the one push reheating feature on the NN-CD88 microwave. This is one of our newer microwaves. We're really proud of it. Customers seem to be really fond of it as well. If you are interested in this microwave, do head to our online stores where you can purchase direct from Panasonic and find the right microwave for you. So the one push reheating function is a really great feature. It's only suitable for reheating, so the food needs to be cooked already, and it's actually only ideal for foods that you can stir. So it's really great for reheating things like sauces, soups, teas, coffees, things like that. It's less suitable for more solid foods, things like lasagna, things you can't stir. We don't recommend you use it. But it couldn't be easier to use. You simply put the food in that you want to use one push reheating for. Anything from between 200 grams all the way up to around a kilo is suitable. So you've got a really nice range there. And as soon as the food is in the microwave, all you need to do is press the dial in once. The auto sensor does all the work, and the reheating will begin. So let's do that now. And there you go. You can see that the microwave has already started. So that's it. That's the one push reheating function on the NN-CD88. I hope you found that useful. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.